Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. So, today I am participating in a Tablescape Tuesday collaboration with host Anna over at the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and special guest host Malinda at All Things Home on a Budget. And what we're going to do today is bring you budget friendly tablescape designs. So, let's get started. Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Yeah. Well, hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, I am preparing for another tablescape. This time it's with Malinda over at All Things Home on a Budget. She also has a second channel here on YouTube called The Crafty Doll. On her Crafty Doll channel, what she does is create beautiful decor, and then she styled them on her second channel, All Things Home on a Budget. Now, in today's tablescape, the premise is to save you money by using plasticware from Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollars, Walmart, Target, Roses, anywhere where plasticware is sold, you can purchase plasticware or paperware there to decorate your tablescape. Now, I will say that I will be using some glassware in my projects in order to create the look that I'm going for. But I'm going to check to see if upstairs in my overflow section of my crafting area, I will check to see if I have any plastic vases. But what I plan on doing, as you can see here, let me take this off the tripod and turn you around. As you can see here, this was the tablescape that I did last week with my crafting bestie Felicia over at BOK Media Life, and she also has a second channel here on YouTube called BOK Food Freaks. But I'm going to take down all of these items and prepare the table for the new tablescape that I am doing with Malinda. So I'm going to show you some of the items that I already have, and then we will get started with the tablescape design. Okay, so stay tuned. So here are some plates that I purchased when I went to Dollar Tree today. Today is Sunday, May 17th. But here are some of the plates that I will be incorporating in my design. Well, hello guys, I wanted to hop back on here before we head into the reveal to discuss the two hosts. You have Anna with the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and what Anna brings to her channel, you can see it when you read about her channel, is her love for the Lord. She brings budget-friendly DIYs and home decor. Come with me shopping, tablescapes, and decorate with me, and so much more. So make sure you head on over to Anna's channel and let her know that Joy said hello. And if you have yet to subscribe to her channel, please make sure you do so. Then the special guest host, Malinda of All Things Home on a Budget. What can I say about Malinda? Other than this is my crafting sister, and she also has another channel here on YouTube called The Crafty Doll, where she takes and creates beautiful home decor, and then she styled them on her second channel, All Things Home on a Budget, which is the host channel for the Tablescape Tuesday. And Malinda also loves the Lord. She also does budget-friendly DIYs, home decor, and she is excellent at interior, exterior decorating. And if you want to see some phenomenal and very beautiful DIYs, tablescapes styled on her channel, make sure you click on both the Crafty Doll as well as All Things Home on a Budget. And just like with Anna, make sure you tell Malinda that Joy said hello and subscribe to her channel if you have yet to do so. And guys, it is time for the reveal. Let's see what I came up with off the top of my head.